Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing well. It's Sunday the 10th and we have a lot of fabulous deals over at Walgreens. Deals, deals, deals on top of deals. And we're doing stuff without boosters this morning because I have a situation about that. If you could do me a huge favor and like this video, and if you're not a subscriber, if you could subscribe today, it would mean the world to me. Really means a lot, and I thank you so much in advance. So here is my problem. 12 back when you spend 60. And with the $9 booster, I'm basically going to get a basket after everything, $39, which isn't enough. The math isn't mathing, so I passed on it today and we went on a different avenue to make deals happen because this is just too big for me, too rich for this girl. So the first thing I want to talk about is a lot of clearance tags. And I know this clearance might not be $90, what you want to pay at $3.50, but the math is mathing where this is going to be a really good deal. See the one at 12 o'clock that says I? If you can grab two specifically of this product, and I know there's a lot of skincare subscribers out there. Lots of you really love skincare. We have a 12 off 2 that's attaching to this clearance item. So we're going to look for 2. That is going to be $17.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 for a product that's almost $36. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, if you guys are similar to me where you're all about Cetaphil, and this is a line that I love. Original price point $16.99 on clearance for $4.29. I didn't have any coupons to go with this guy, but ShopMe has a $2 rebate back for this specific product. So this lotion is $4.29. Make that $2 submission to ShopMe. The final price point is $2.29 for almost $17 lotion. That is tremendous savings for Cetaphil. Do love this little deal. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, but the skincare aisle and the lotion aisle, lots of stuff drastically marked down. So if you're all about your skincare, take a moonwalk through that aisle. Definitely worth your time. Because some of these, it's going to go really quickly because everybody and your grandma is going to want it for $3.79 or less. Scan with the Walgreens app in case you can attach digital coupons. Lots of this I couldn't, but you might have better luck than I. I also made a YouTube short yesterday about the Gatorade Fast Twitch. 29 cents part of summer clearance. We have a $1 IBOTTA rebate, making this a 72-cent moneymaker with a limit up to 5. So definitely be on the lookout for these drinks, along with these rock stars for a quarter. This is an unheard of price point. Now, when I was shopping around this morning, I found one of these children's offs, and it was still ringing up clearance at this one store. IBOTTA has a $3 rebate for this guy, so make sure you have it loaded, and it is in fact attaching. So grabbing one of these for $2.29. I rolled some Walgreens cash, photographed that to IBOTTA, and made it a freebie and a 71-cent money maker, and I was so delighted to even find one on a super Sunday morning. Now, this is my favorite deal of the week, the Persil detergent for $5.99. Original price point, $9.29 over at Walgreens. Holy smokes. $2 reward when you buy one of these. So we don't have any coupons, but this is the deal. You're going to grab one of these. I would throw in $5 in Walgreens cash, get back your $2 register reward. IBOTTA's also giving back $1 back, dropping this down to $2.99 for a product that's just under $10. Great deal. And remember, you're not doing this with a booster. You're just doing this deal on its own, and that's the way to use the Walgreens cash. And then just to show you below there, $1 back with Persil with the IBOTTA rebate app. How fantastic is that? And yes, the $2 register reward printed for me, and Henkel is the company that is the parent company for Persil. So very delighted with this one. The next little dealio is on the cereal. The multigrain Cheerios. I thought all Cheerios would attach with IBOTTA, but shame on me. I got that wrong. They are 2 for $5. It's usually $5.99 per box. This has really jumped in price. We have a digital coupon, which is $1 off too. Please make sure you have that loaded. And IBOTTA is also giving back a similar rebate of $1 back when you buy 2. So make sure you're grabbing 2 of them. I did scan in store like what's attaching, what's not attaching, and I grabbed this multi-grain. It looks like a healthier cereal. What am I talking about? But 2 boxes of this for $5. Subtracting your dollar digital, you'll pay $5. Make that submission to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it 3 for the 2 or $1.50 per box. If you're going to go grab whatever cereal you want, definitely open up your IBOTTA app and scan to ensure that it's attaching. And remember, we're doing this deal without a booster, thus you can actually roll a little bit of Walgreens cash, so you're really not feeling the cereal out of pocket. Now we have a little deal on the Crest for $4 a pop. So we're going to grab 2 of them. And the deal with this is when you purchase 2 of them, you're getting back a $3 register reward. I guess it's better than nothing. So we're going to throw 2 of them into your basket. I went with the Radiant Mint. We have a digital coupon. I believe this is the one from last week. So if you used it last week, sorry guys, but it's a 3 off of 2, so make sure you have it loaded. So grabbing 2 of those toothpaste, guys, it's $8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per tube of toothpaste. You're doing this deal without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Now, this is where things kind of got weird in my haul. My store didn't have any Caress except for one little 6-pack of the bars. $2 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these. So even if I wanted to, not happening for this girl. But if you can land this deal, make it happen. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. And if you know, Caress is a very good line of body wash. IBOTTA is also giving back $1 for each Caress product that you're buying. So make sure that you have this rebate locked and loaded. So 2 of these products on a BOGO 50% off is $12.43. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9.43. Get back $2 in Walgreens cash, $2 back from IBOTTA, making it $5.43 for the 2. Remember, if you're doing this without a booster, you can in fact use your Walgreens cash, spend it to earn the $2 back because it's a buy offer. Perhaps in the comments down below, you can tell me why this L'Oreal Elvive is the most popular shampoo ever. People love this. My mother-in-law is obsessed with this shampoo. It is 2 for $9 this week. We have an IVC and a digital coupon, making it $1.50 per bottle. Must be magic in a bottle because this is the one thing people are always asking me for. So we're going to grab 2 for exactly $9 on the nose. Load the following digital coupon. This is a manufacturer, which is a 4 off of 2. Alternatively, you might have a 3 off of 2 as well. I might just stock up because everybody wants the shampoo. This is an IVC, which is a Walgreens coupon, and it's a 2 off of 2, and it'll automatically attach to both products. So, 2 of those L'Oreal Elvives is $9. Subtracting the 2 off 2 IVC and the 4 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. And if you're doing this without a booster, by all means, you can use your Walgreens cash. It's not a deal, but $1.50 for 2. It's cheap shampoo in my little book. Now, this is a deal of the week with the Garnier Fructis. For this one, we're going to grab 3 of these guys, and they are 2 for $8. So the third one is going to be an extra $4. And just to show you the tag in store, when you spend $10, you get back a $3 register reward. So they kind of changed that a little bit on us just because they're being that way this lovely Sunday morning. We have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So please make sure you have it loaded. And looking at this, we have 3 of the Garniers for $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9, get back a $3 register reward, $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Now the P&G deal. Let's grab a Tide liquid, a Tide pod, a Bounce dryer sheet, and a Gain liquid detergent. I messed up that picture, sorry. The promotion with this is it's $5.49. When you buy 4, you get back a $5 register reward, and that is a monthly deal on this specific product. Now, a couple weeks back, we had some digital coupons, and I'll show them to you. If you use them, I think they're of a one-time use because I could not reload them. $1.50 off the Tide detergent, $1.50 off the pods, $1 off the fabric softener, and $1 off the Gain. So here's the final scenario, guys. 4 of those laundry care products, let's not forget our friend Gain, for $21.96. Subtracting $4 in digital manufacturers, you're going to pay $16.96 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 products, or $2.99 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this with a booster. My booster, again, so large at $60. Even stacking it with another one, it just was so little, guys, that the old saying, the squeeze is not worth the juice. So $21 on a $60 basket. This lady said pass. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.